In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to capitalize first letter in Excel cells. First, open Microsoft Excel and get your worksheet ready. This works well when you have text that was typed in lowercase, uppercase, or with inconsistent formatting, and you want it to look cleaner and more professional. For example, you might have entries like John Smith, Mary Jones, Excel tutorial, or sales report. Excel gives you more than one way to fix capitalization, and the best option depends on exactly how you want the final text to look. The first and most common method is to use the proper function. This is the easiest choice when you want the first letter of every word in a cell to be capitalized. In a blank cell next to your original text, type the formula equals proper, then open parentheses, select the cell containing your text, and close the parentheses. For example, if your original text is in cell A2, the formula would be equals proper A2. Once you press enter, Excel will automatically convert each word so it begins with a capital letter. So John Smith becomes John Smith, Mary Jones becomes Mary Jones, and Excel tutorial becomes Excel tutorial. This method is especially useful for names, titles, and short phrases where every word should start with a capital letter. Just keep in mind that proper changes every word, not just the very first one. If that is not what you want, there is another option. The second method is for capitalizing only the first letter of the entire cell, while leaving the rest of the text in lowercase. This is helpful for sentence-style text or cases where you want only the very first character to be uppercase. To do that, enter this formula in a blank cell. Equals upper, open parentheses, left, open parentheses, A2, comma, 1, close parentheses, ampersand, lower, open parentheses, mid open parentheses, A2, comma, 2, comma, ln, open parentheses, A2, close parentheses, close parentheses, close parentheses. This formula may look long, but it is simply combining a few functions. It takes the first character, turns it into uppercase, then takes the rest of the text and converts it to lowercase before joining everything together. The result is that John Smith becomes John Smith, and Excel tutorial becomes Excel tutorial. Choose the method that matches the result you want. If you want every word capitalized, use proper. If you want only the first letter of the entire cell capitalized, use the second formula. After that, you can fill the formula down your column to apply it to the rest of your data.